Clint Webster with Oklahoma Plastic Surgeons, and I just finished up a breast enhancement case, and just made me think about a couple of questions that come up, and one that is very common that I thought I'd just try to address real quickly, and that is implant size. So whenever we do a breast enhancement, a lot of times, the majority of the times, we're using an implant that gives more shape and fullness to a breast. And when I see patients in consultation, they come in and they ask, what size they should use, or they say, well, my friend has 350 cc implants, or this friend has 400 cc implants, and I want to be that full, or that round, or have that much projection. And I think it's important to note that volume, particularly now, is not just the only factor that's involved in choosing an implant. And I think it stems out of the fact that we forget that volume has some dimension to it. And so I kind of quick made these two examples. Both of these containers have 1 cup of water in it, which is about 250 cc's. And you can see that in one container, you have a narrow base and a lot of height. In the other, you have more wide of a base and less height. So you can see that although they're the same volume, they're going to have a different shape. If I were to, put these under my chest, of course, I'd probably have to join the circus if I did that. But the point is that it's the dimensions that we are really looking at, and that is your breast width, and then based on that, we choose different projections. So if someone has a wide breast, their implant volume is going to be much bigger than someone that has a more narrow breast. And those concepts are a little bit hard to explain, I think, to a patient sometimes. And it's just something to keep in mind, that you can't just hang your hat on a volume size. You're really looking at a shape of an implant based on its width and how much projection that you get out of it. So I hope this answers one of your questions. There's certainly a lot that can be covered when it regards to breast enhancement. So if you give me a call, Dr. Clinton Webster at Oklahoma Plastic Surgeons, we're happy to set up a consultation and hopefully address additional questions.